Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by pruning power drains. This is the quickest win. Reduce screen brightness to around 50% and enable adaptive brightness. A bright panel costs watts fast. Switch from an extreme gaming power profile to a balanced or custom profile for everyday work, then switch back when you play. Once done, unplug idle USB devices, disable Bluetooth and RGB lighting. They draw constant power. Make sure to close background apps that keep the GPU or CPU awake, because those processes silently burn battery life. Now refine performance for efficiency. Update your GPU and chipset drivers and choose vendor power-saving modes, NVIDIA Whisper Mode, or AMD Eco, because they throttle peak power without killing responsiveness. Make sure to set a reasonable max TGP or cap GPU power at 60 to 80% for gaming on battery. Alternatively, force integrated graphics for non-gaming apps. Once stable, consider safe undervolting or using built-in boost limits to drop temperatures and wattage. Monitor temps and behavior while you test, because stability matters. Finish with long-term care and fallback checks. Calibrate the battery every 2 to 3 months and enable the manufacturer's battery saver or adaptive charging to reduce wear. This helps longevity. For sustained battery life during play, lower resolution, cap frame rate at 60, and disable expensive effects like ray tracing. Those choices cut wattage significantly. If issues continue, run built-in diagnostics, reset, or check the battery connection, and make sure adaptive charging is configured correctly. This single troubleshooting step often resolves odd discharge behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.